later. The next day.
Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. We are just going to stay at home today. There's really not a big plans for today. We just have a lot of things to do, usual home stuff. And this is my first day of officially having this camera, so it's still getting the hang of it, like trying to look at the camera and not on this screen, because it flips on to the other side. It's not like the Canon G7X where it just like flips up like this. So I have many travel vlogs that I'm supposed to be uploading, but then we got really busy for the last few weeks. I got married, we went to our honeymoon, and you know, there's a lot of stuff. I'm also going to start school by the end of the month, so we're also in a process of like moving to a different state for my senior year, which is happening pretty soon.
A few moments later.
It's crazy because like now that I've been living here in the US for like 2.5 months, I can say that it's a lot different compared to the Philippines. It's not like, oh, I can go to the mall, get a Grab, or go to the mall and just eat and meet my friends. Since the US is just so big and like all the people that I know are way scattered out in different states, it's just really hard to meet a lot of people around or just like hang out with them whenever I want to. That is the downside of just like being away from home. And it makes me like appreciate the Philippines more. First of like how expensive things in here. Oh my god, I was just blown away. Like it was crazy, and now I do appreciate how nicer it is to be in the Philippines. I'm not saying I don't like it here, but I like it here, but then I also feel like nothing beats like home. Philippines is still going to be my forever home, and I miss everyone, including my cats. This will be our last few days here. We will pack our bags and drive across the country. I'm really excited to know what like senior year feels like. I have never attended a school here in the US, but the fact that I will be starting my senior year of nursing school in 2 weeks makes me just so excited. I honestly don't know what to expect. I know it will be pretty challenging just because it'll be a new school, a new environment. The fact that we have to move across the country for this is just a bit stressful just because we have a lot of stuff and moving around is chaotic. I ordered some Amazon stuff and now that I got it, let's unbox it. So this one, it's like a camera pouch. So then I really want my camera to be scratch free, but I know it's kind of impossible to keep up with that. So this one is like a pouch, and I hope it fits. It's actually like smaller than I thought it would be. This is a lens protector for your camera, just because like mine flips and sometimes you have to flip it the other way around, so then it would be like the back end kind of like touching it, but then it will definitely get scratches faster then. I don't have like an adapter and I normally don't use an SD card, but now that I have a vlogging camera, it's really important. So this one is like a port, and then you can put a SD card here and then USB and Type-C, so just all in one. Okay, this is my phone case, and oh my god, this is a power bank. So because I needed a power bank, and so then I can also charge my camera and then my phone. Such a big bag for a small package. This is the NYX brow gel. I really like this because it comes with like a color already, so I don't have to worry about pigment. Because sometimes, when you're lazy days, these are really good. It keeps like the brows in place, especially on days when I don't feel like doing my brows. This saves my life.
Garden flatbread, no mushroom.